Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Downey, local, and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a licensed moving company that has been successfully assisting customers with moving for over 20 years. We offer services for any moving need you'll have, whether you need your belongings packed for you or help setting your things up into place in your new home or office. Our movers will arrive timely and get the job done on schedule. We are happy to provide customers with quality services at very affordable prices, and we include free quotes in our packages. Many people worry that moving somewhere far means they'll have to leave many of their things behind. Our moving company is not going to let that happen. If you're going to a different state or country, we will pack all of your things and move them out for you. We also use specially designed packaging so that your belongings will be protected for the long trip. Moving locally means less stressful decisions to make, but you'll still need to pack up your possessions and squeeze your furniture out of the door and into a truck. One moving company can do all of these things for you in just a few hours. Once moving day is over, you'll have time to relax without needing to catch your breath. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Downey moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.